Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In earlier video we have seen what is group and user and how can we create them, and we did some experimentation with that, right? So in today's video we are gonna see how we can set permissions for specific files and how can we change the user and group name. Okay, now let's get started. So if you are a root user, if you press the command it's ls-l, you will see the number of files available in that directory. So now let's talk about this. So here basically the first portion is basically indicating the hyphen. So hyphen is basically indicating it is a normal file. Okay, so in this case the hyphen is basically indicating the normal file. In other cases you will see the D. So D is basically indicating the directory. Here document, it is a directory, that's why it's D is written here. In downloads, this is a directory, that's why D is written here. In other cases it is just a hyphen. So in this case it is hyphen. In demo case this is hyphen. So hyphen is basically indicating this is a regular files. Okay, and this portion is basically indicating the permissions of that file. So now let's talk one by one. The first three characters indicating what permission does the user have. Okay, and the next three character is indicating what the permission does the group have, and the last three character is indicating what the permission others have. So other is basically indicating neither they are user nor they are group member. So other than that, these are referred to the others. So others have this permission. So, and this is indicating the user of that file, and this is indicating the group name of that file. Okay, now let us change. First of all, let us try to change the group name first. Okay, for that, first of all, let us see the list of list of user. So how can we check it? So we have to put password in that. uh, in earlier videos we have seen the password shadow. So yeah, so we can see here this is we are seeing the number of users in here. So now the current name of that file is basically the Tasin. So this is the user. Now I want to change it to Uddin. I want to change the user to Uddin. So how can we do that? So I have to write CHOWN and the name Uddin and the name of the file. Okay, let me explain now. So basically I'm indicating for this file I want to change the name. I want to change the user from Tasin to Uddin. Okay, now if I press enter, now if I check it again, now we can see the user has been changed from Tasin to Uddin. Similarly we can change the group name as well. So how can we do that? First of all, let us check the groups. And how can we check it? etc groups we have seen in the previous video, and if you press enter, we are seeing the number of groups. Now the current group is new group 4. Now let's say I want to change it to new group 3. So how can we do that? We have to put ch on, and we have to put a semicolon in here, and the name of the group, which is new group 3, and the name of the file active.ssc.txt. So here I am indicating for this file I want to change the group name to new group 3. Okay, if I press enter, the group name is changed. Let me check it, ls-l, and if you check it in here, so the group name is changed from new group 4 to new group 3. Okay, so yeah, that's how we can do that. Now let us do some experimentation with the permission. So let's say in demo, we can see for user there is for user the permission is read write, but execution is not given. For group there is only permission of reading, and for others there is only permission of reading. Now let us do some experimentation with that. So let me do chmod. So basically now I will change the file permission. So for user, so I am indicating u means user. For user I want to give it read write and execute. In earlier there was no execution, no execution permission has been given. And for go z is indicating the group, and o O is indicating the others. For these two groups, I want to give them read and write permission. In earlier, they only have the read permission. Now I want to give them write permission as well, and the name of the file. Now in this case, the name of the file is demo, right? So for demo, in earlier time, for the user, execution was not given, so that's why there is a hyphen. And for group, the written permission was not given, and for others, the written permission is not given as well. Now I want to change it. Now let us press enter now, and let's see whether it is changed it or not. Now if I go to the demo file, now let's see. Now see, the permission has been changed. Now for the user, I have set the permission execute, and for the groups, the written permission is added, and for others, the written permission is added as well. So that's how we can change the file permission. And if I want to change it for let's say I want to give them the all file permission, so in that case you can write. Now let's say for another file, let's say for this file, new file.txt. Okay, now in this case as well, I want to change the permission. So what I have to do now, let's say I want to give them permission everything. Like for the user, I would love to give them a read, write, and execution. And for the groups, I want to give them reading, writing, and executing. And for others, I want to give them reading, writing, and executing. I mean everything. So I can also do that. Simply I have to put chmod and a is equal rwx and the name of the file. So what is the name of the file? In this case, new file.txt. Now so a is basically indicating the all. So for all users, whether it can be user, groups, and other, for everyone, the file permission will change to reading, writing, and executing. So this will be basically changed. Now if I press enter, and let us check it, ls-l. Now for new txt file, see, the permission is changed, right? So yeah, this is how you can give permission to any files, or you can change the user and group. So this is all about the users and privilege. So that's it for today. See you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.